This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Darlene Taylor. New construction. Custom-built ranch-style home with an open floor plan. This new home is the total package: 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, split bedrooms, tray ceiling and recessed lighting in the large master suite, walk-in closet and double vanity in master bath, cathedral ceiling, recessed lighting and freestanding fireplace in the open living room, beautiful upscale kitchen with soft close shaker style cabinetry and lovely granite countertops, stainless refrigerator, stainless stove, and microwave. Large island with a double sink and dishwasher, dining area, pantry, laundry room. All bedrooms have walk-in closets. Luxury vinyl waterproof flooring throughout.Home has lots of light coming in with stylish colors and finishes. Attention to detail is everywhere in this home. Covered front porch, private back deck, low maintenance vinyl, 2-car attached garage. Nice level 1.5 acre yard. Home is 10 minutes from the Obed State Park and Frozen Head State Park. For more information, review the details below or contact Darlene Taylor at 865-693-1111.